Center of the box. Observe first, indicate towards the direction that you're going to. Then find gear 1, balance your car, and then fully observe. Release handbrake, perfect. Once you see the first pole in your small window, and then you lock your wheels. And then your mirror must be aligned with the first pole again. And then 1, 2, your steering wheel to make them straight, and then you go in at the 45 degrees angle. You check the last pole at the end. Once you see the last pole at the end, you will lock your wheels. That's perfect. And once your car is at the center with the center pole, and you stop, 1, 2 your steering wheel, and then your wheels will be straight, perfect. As you are leaving, you must observe and then indicate towards the direction that you're going to. Find gear 1, balance your car, fully observe, handbrake down. Check your blind spot as you are leaving